Earn PayPal money from watching YouTube video. Make $100 per day online for free. Hello lovely YouTube family, welcome back to e-commerce know-how. In today's video, we are going to talk about earn PayPal money from watching YouTube videos, make $100 per day online for free. Before we start, I would want you to hit that red subscribe button so that you never miss out on any of our videos. In this video, I will show you how to make PayPal money just by watching YouTube videos, which is a revolutionary new way to earn $100 every day for free till 2021. What's the best way to go about it? We'll find out as soon as possible. Million Formula is one of the kind firm that allows you to earn money simply viewing YouTube videos. It may seem unbelievable, but it is real. We genuinely pay individuals to view YouTube videos with cash. There are a lot of people on YouTube that are having trouble growing their channels. They have done virtually everything YouTube suggests, yet their videos are still not generating views. The YouTube network is so clogged with fresh uploads that getting your video noticed is nearly difficult. This necessitates a different strategy to obtain the desired YouTube views. To get a YouTube algorithm to identify and promote their content, they need to buy YouTube views. That's where we can help. These ambitious YouTubers approach Million Formula and request our assistance in promoting their videos. As a respected social media marketing firm, Million Formula is pleased to assist. For a nominal charge, we will promote their films. On the other side, we broadcast their films to millions of people all over the world. That is where you will be able to earn money by watching these YouTube videos. You may earn more. When you watch their film, you help them gain more views and earn money. Isn't it simple? Million Formula is a marketing that also offers customers the chance of earning money online. We give social media users the ability to boost engagements and views for their channels and contents. On the other side, this provides you with the options to make money by watching or playing such films. Each time you watch a YouTube video, you will be paid $0.04. The more videos you view, the more money you make, because each video is compensated separately. Depending on your preferences, you can do this part-time or full-time. We estimate that you can earn anywhere from $20 to $55 each day. Making money by watching YouTube video is a simple procedure. There isn't much you have to do but view videos in the same way that you would on YouTube. You simply need two things to make money viewing YouTube videos. You will need a Million Formula account first, and you will also need a Gmail account. The more time you spend watching, the more money you will make. You have no limit on number of videos you may view. It's entirely up to you if you want to watch all day, every day. Each video generates its own revenue. The cost of watching a video is not the same for everyone. Some opinions are more profitable than others. However, we have attempted to standardize our service so that you may earn a certain amount of money for each video views. You may earn at least $0.04 for each YouTube videos you watch. For each video's views, this is the smallest amount of money you may earn. There is no limit to how much money you can make on any videos. Some films pay up to $1 for each view. It all depends on the amount of money a YouTube marketer is prepared to pay you for watching their video. The more they're willing to pay, the more money you'll be able to make. Thus, on a good day, viewing YouTube videos may earn you a lot of money. This is the first step. I recommend that you go to youtube.com. From there, you may pick from a number of videos, all of which I recommend you to view. Step 2 is to watch at least 30 seconds of the video after you've entered it in this manner. The third step is when you begin to earn money. These are real payments evidence for all of the films they've watched from people all around the world. This is how much money you can make as a consequences. Simply watching YouTube video may earn you $3. By watching 10 YouTube videos, you might earn $30. You may potentially make $150 each day by watching 50 videos. What's more, guess what? You may repeat the process as many times as you like and still profit. It's also fully legal and unrestricted. YouTube may be accessed from anywhere on the planet. It may be seen from anywhere on the world. And right now, all you need is a smartphone or a computer. I'll give you some examples to look at as well as some videos to watch. Remember, I have a special surprise for you all at the end of this video, which is one-of-a-kind method that may help you earn 5 times more money by simply watching YouTube videos. So stay connected and watch till the end. Let's get this bash going. The first thing I want you to do is to go to this page by clicking the sign in icons at the top of the web page. If you don't have a YouTube account, you can create one for free by clicking this button, filling out the form and selecting your preferences. After that, you may create a free Google account and sign up for Google. When you've signed up into your YouTube account successfully, you will see on the left side that you can access some of the YouTube's best content from there. Music, sports, gaming, movies, and news will be among of the most popular and best performing video genres on YouTube. I'll show you a top secret strategy that no one else knows about in this video. So click on games from there. You'll be sent to this page. Hundreds of millions of people watch these gaming related videos on YouTube. They also have no clue how to make a lot of money, but I'll show you how to do it. And that's exactly how all of these guys make a lot of money on YouTube. $5, $10, or $11 for each videos they watch. So right now, I'll give you the first extra tip. I'd like you to focus on this video genre, which is now one of the most popular on the market. You'll be sent to a page containing a numbers of videos about us gameplays, including ones that live streaming right now. If you click Among Us from there. To proceed, all you have to do is to select one of these videos. All you have to do now is select one of these live videos. If you click on this link, it will take me to this website where I may watch live streams. As you can see, this video has a huge number of viewers and there have been several requests and opportunities to produce similar videos on YouTube. So stay tuned because I'll show you exactly how to make a lot of money from these kinds of YouTube movies. And you can use the same technique to a number of different YouTube films in this category. To turn those YouTube videos into actual money, we must go to the second website, 7r6.com. On this service, you may shorten URLs and transform them into actual money. Don't worry, I'll keep things as straightforward as possible for you. It's actually a lot easier than you think, and no one else is discussing this at the moment. You might make a lot of money if you watch this video all the way through, so the concept is quite straightforward. You establish a free account on 7r6.com and then use it to shorten the URLs of various YouTube videos. That's all for today. I hope you liked the video. If you did, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel so that you never miss on any amazing videos from us.